Morning, good morning. Dito tayo ngayon. It's Wednesday morning. Kakatawag lang sa atin ni Bro Paulo ng Salinloft. Nagtatrabaho siya doon sa post office kaya alam niya yung mga dumadating. So anyway, pinadala niya yung picture. Ito na yung mga hinihintay ko, mga bros. 7 months ako naghintay. Pero it's finally here. Anyway, yung mga Belgium Birds are here. Yeah! Excited ako. So, on my way to post office, kukunin ko yung mga ibon. So, let's go pick it up. Alright? So, here we are at the post office. They just opened the door. I'm talking to the attendant right now. And she went to get the box. Just filled out the pickup receipt. Yeah, they're very quick. They know me here, so they don't even ask for ID anymore. This is the post office back. This is where they sort out mails. There's the box.
Oh, it's a nice container there, honey. Too.
Nice box.
There
That's
you go.
a nice box.
Right? That's
Very
what I'm
nice.
saying. I've never seen it in a box like that. A nice box for them.
There's 3 of them in there.
Yeah, you can tell the different containers that they have them in.
They really put.
How they separated them.
Yeah, they even got the.
Yeah, all the holes.
There's
Yeah.
a container there too for the food.
Oh,
Water.
see? They did it perfectly. Yeah.
So I'm gonna go ahead and take them at home and medicate them and separate them for a week, quarantine them
Quarantine them?
before I mix them up with the other birds.
How pretty. You can tell they're pretty too. How
All the way from
beautiful.
Belgium.
There you
How
go.
about that? They're the Californian nuts.
Now they're California bound. Oh, there
Thank
you
you.
go.
All right,
Have a
see
good
you
day.
later. So here we are. Got the box. Finally here. In Oxnard, California. So, there's the bird. Perfect box. Perfect for the they look healthy in there. They look fine. Alright. Let's open up. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take this box back home and check out the birds. Alright, thank you. See you there. We're back home. Dito na yung mga ibon. Gagawin natin, titingnan natin sila. Tapos vaccine, okay? Salmonella and PMV. Come! Nag-lolo fly ako. Alright, so ito yung mga ibon. Tingnan natin. Galing sa mga sa Belgium, pero dito yung mga ibon na kararating lang. Come on guys! Come! Come on! Come on! Fly muna. Alright, let's get back. Go. Sila. Ganda ng box. Pwedeng pang widowhood para sa mga cocks. Ganda ng box nila. Okay. Right. Isa-isahin natin sila. We'll start with this one. Wow. Taba. First time kong nahawakan. From Belgium. Napanood ko lang yung pinost ni Bro Albert. That was 7 months ago. Ngayon, nandito na sila. Gandang ibon. Laki ng katawan. Talaga naalagaan. Alagang-alaga. Bad number. Five oh five 378. Tingnan natin dito sa record. 505 378 84. Okay? So ito ay grandson ng Porsche 911. Grandson Porsche 911. Cock. Gandang ibon. Okay. Very nice. Medium size. Yellow eyes. Alright, bigyan natin siya ng vitamins. Try natin kung iinom siya. Minom. It's a good sign. Yan. And bibigyan natin siya ng shots. PMV and Salmonella. Itong mga ibon na to, binili ni Bro Albert sa Belgium. Kasi nga nangungulekta siya ng mga kwandon, mga breeders. You know, dami niyang ibon. From the best of the best sa Belgium. So ngayon, from what I heard from Bro, kwan siya ngayon, very busy siya sa pag move niya sa bagong bahay, and also nagbi-build siya ng bagong loft. So good luck, Bro Albert, sa yung new house. Hopefully maka-start ka ng mag-breed ng mga super birds mo. I know meron kang plano. It's a good plan. And I'm just very thankful na, you know, may share mo yung mga ibon mo dito sa USA. Next year makikita natin yung mga anak nito. Tetest natin sa mga one loft races. So here it is. Belgium 3784, grandson of Porsche 911. Alright, very nice bird. Thank you, Steve Capellini, for taking care of the birds. Okay. Sprayan natin siya for maybe insects. Mukhang malinis naman. But okay. Alright, so quarantine for 5 days or more. First bird. Alright guys, we're gonna check out the second bird here. Steve Capellini is the importer. Birds are really nice, very healthy. Body is really nice. They're very alert. This guy is medium to large size. I think it's a guy. It's Belgium 5051165. Another cock, Drapa, cross to Kittel. Another cock, I'd say large bird. The other one is smaller. Nice wings. Vent is tight. This bird has yellow eyes. Drop a Kittel. Nice bird. Very nice handling bird. Got some water here, electrolytes, and some honey, some little bit of sugar in the water. Get him dehydrated and recover. Very alert. Yeah, it's a nice bird. This is Drop a Kittel. Okay, we'll give it a vaccine. Here we go. All right, quarantine time. This bird's legs hanging around. Okay, so that's the second one, Drop a Kittel. So far, so good. I'm very happy with the handling condition of the bird. They're not skinny, they're not looking tired, they're not looking sickly. Very alert, strong. That's how it should be. You can tell that Capellini is a very professional, very experienced company. I'll recommend them. I'm also working on having other birds come in, imported from Bro Albert. Hopefully another 4 birds. Okay, so this one is 5013897 blue bar white flight. This is a sibling or sister to the first one. This is a granddaughter to Porsche 911. Very nice hen, small medium hen. Okay. A little bit in a light skinny side, but not too bad. They've been on quarantine, traveling for almost 7 months. Nice handling bird. Oh, very nice. This is the perfect size right here. Those wings, very nice wings. Oh, there he is. There it is. Yeah. This bird has yellow eyes, nice wings. I like these wings. It's the granddaughter to Porsche 911. It's the sister to the first bird. So I got a brother and sister, and then the other one is a drop a Kittel, which is a cock. Okay, little bit of water. Once I put her in the quarantine cage, I will give them some small seeds and keep them there for 5 days or so. All right, vaccinated, hydrated, and soon rested. All right, guys, very satisfied. Thank you, Albert, bro. Birds are safe. I will keep them safe. They will breed next year. They will be tested, and I will post you guys with the results, good or bad. Hopefully good, and I am hopeful they are good results, and I have confident that they will be good results. So here it is, Belgian birds from Bro Albert. And I also sent some birds over there, some GFL birds, Mona Lisa, Wolverine, and Thomas 6. And hopefully Albert will enjoy them and get good result from them. So thank you guys for watching. It's a long video, and I'm gonna go ahead and take care of these birds. Make sure they are safe, they are healthy. All right. Until next time, I will post you guys with the results. Peace out.